Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's You Love Tweet Tweet here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday foundation routine. Pretty much my go-to routine for my foundation. And it's going to be like a voiceover, so yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get into the video, okay? Damn, don't you just love that intro? So groovy. So before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you go ahead and turn on that notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I have a new video here for you guys. So today in this video, I'm doing a really simple look, and right now I'm priming my face. And right now I'm priming my face with the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore primer, and here I'm trying out something new. This is the HD corrector from Black Radiance in the color Peach, and as you guys can see, it's a really light tone. I feel like it's a little too light for me. I usually go darker for my color correctors, but my LA Girl orange color corrector got old and went bad on me, so I decided to pick up this one from Walmart. And I don't know, I'm really not feeling this really pale color. I feel like when I put on my foundations, it makes my foundations look even more pale. Not even more pale, like if they're already pale, but whatever. Okay, so now I'm going in with my NYX drop foundation in the color Caramel, and this is one of my winter foundations. Upon stippling this onto my face, it gives a very yellow complexion, but it does set nicely onto my face. I don't like the combination of pairing this foundation with this HD corrector because it makes my skin look a little more lighter in some areas, which I do not like. So next time I won't be pairing these two together. But other than that, we're going for a pretty natural face here, pretty quick face. And I picked out this shade initially not knowing if this was going to be my shade or not. I picked it out because, God, I forgot her name, Taylor Anise. This is the shade that she picked out in the NYX Drop Foundation. And for me, I always have a winter shade and I always have a summer shade. So this is my winter shade. My summer shade is Espresso. So right now you guys can see me concealing my face with the LA Girl conceal. Is it LA Girl concealer? Excuse me. No, this is the Black Radiance concealer. The tubes of these two concealers look so similar. It's hard to tell them apart. So right here you can see me taking my Wet n Wild, I think this is like the spoolie blending brush that is normally used for like in the crease of the eye. I'm going ahead and using that to blend out my concealer. I was watching this YouTuber, Kiki, and she was using a brush just like this to blend out one of her clients' concealer. So I thought I'd try it and see how it worked out for me. I did like how it blended out, but it just takes a lot of time. Like if you're trying to rush and use that little stupid brush, you're gonna, be taking forever trying to do that. So if you're in a rush, I definitely say use a sponge, just like the one I have here. So you can see me here blending out my highlight, really trying to keep everything clean and within the lines. And I'm taking my Nye Banana Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and set my highlight on my nose and under my eyes and my forehead and my chin. I really like this banana powder, this Nye Banana Powder, because it's so finely milled. It's more fine than the Sacha powder. I like using this more than my Sacha powder, but I try and alternate between the two because Nye is pretty expensive. I mean, he's not too expensive, but it's pretty on the expensive side. So I want to hold on to that as much as I can. But yeah, so you could see me here putting it on my forehead, and I'm going to go ahead and dust it all off. I'm not trying to bake I was just trying to set my face, so I didn't leave it on there for a long time. I don't really understand why at the beginning of this video I said it's everyday foundation routine, because I don't do my makeup like this every day. This is like a sometimes foundation routine. So you can see me here. I just applied my Black Radiance contour. It's one of the Black Radiance concealer sticks in the color dark, and I went ahead and applied that and blended it out with my sponge. And here I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the color Chestnut, and I'm just using that to basically bronze up my face, to add some color back into the face after you've basically evened out the whole canvas. It's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, I'm just blending. So, yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys with some awesome tunes so you guys can just watch me do the rest of my face. If you guys have any more questions concerning the products that I'm using, please go ahead and drop a comment below, but all the products will be linked below in this video. So have a blessed day, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, peace. Okay, so I'm done, and this is what the finished look looks like. And there's a few techniques that I've picked up along the way these last few weeks concerning, well, it's not like I picked it up, I just remembered, because that's what I used to do when I first started doing my makeup, was like stippling on the foundation with my makeup brush. And concerning the concealer, using that small spoolie brush to just dab the concealer into my face, which gives it more of a natural look and more presses it into the face. Those are some new techniques that I've picked up from watching some YouTube videos from this makeup artist. I think her name's Kiki, but I really loved watching her video, and those are some tips that I picked up. But this is the look, and this is my everyday makeup routine. I'm really in love with this foundation. I don't really know why I got so many bad views, but it has to go on with a primer. This is like one of my favorite foundations to use every day, and it's just amazing, and it really looks natural on the skin. I really am in love with natural finishing, natural looking foundations with a natural finish, and this really makes it look like it's my skin versus some of the other foundations that I've used that the foundation just looks really like unrealistic, which is not like the skin. It doesn't just melt into the skin. So, and then I just topped it off with like a really simple lip. And you know, this whole makeup tutorial was extremely drugstore friendly. The only item that I used that wasn't from the drugstore was my Nye Banana Powder, but you can always switch that out for Sasha, switch that out for Airspun, switch it out for the Wet n Wild press powder or the Milani press powder. But yeah, the lip that I used was, and the Mario Badescu spray as well. That is not a drugstore product. But yeah, it was a kind of like a, I don't know what word we would use. Excuse me, my nose ring. First impressions, or my first time using the Black Radiance HD corrector, and I have to say I really like it. This is my first time using a lighter color than orange to correct my under bags, like my little dark circles. And these dark circles really just run in my family. Like, we all have dark circles under our eyes, so I just like to cover it up. But this was really amazing. Like, it looks super bright under here. Like, it looks really good. Like, I really like how it looks. So this is definitely a winner. Yeah, but this lip color, I've had this for years, and it's really like, a really nice super matte, super pigmented lipstick from Nye&Cafe, New York, in their little matte collection. I remember when they came out with these, I wanted to get like every color. But yeah, this is my simple little makeup. A simple little makeup routine. Simple little makeup. Simple little makeup routine. Simple. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. But anyway, this is what it looks like, and I'm really, really happy. But yeah, if you guys have any questions concerning my eye look or anything and any of the techniques that I was using today to apply my makeup, please, please, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that little notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I have an upload, so you guys don't miss anything. And I have a bunch more videos coming out, so have an awesome weekend, you guys, whatever it is you're doing this week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.